Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to review an electric can opener that I've been using for the past few weeks. This is the product name, and I'm excited to share my thoughts on it with you. Overview. First, let's talk about the design and features of this electric can opener. It has a sleek and modern look, with a stainless steel finish and a compact size that doesn't take up too much counter space. It also comes with a magnetic lid holder, which is a nice touch. Usage. Now, let's see how it performs. To use the electric can opener, I simply place the can on the base and press the button. It starts rotating the can and cutting around the lid automatically. I was pleasantly surprised by how smoothly and quickly it worked, even with larger cans. Pros. One of the biggest pros of this electric can opener is how easy and convenient it is to use. I no longer have to struggle with manual can openers that require a lot of force and precision. The product name also leaves a clean and smooth edge on the lid, which reduces the risk of cuts and makes it easy to reuse the can for storage. Cons. On the downside, I did notice that the electric can opener can be a bit noisy, especially if you're using it early in the morning or late at night. It also requires a power source, so you can't use it if there's a power outage or if you're camping. Conclusion. Overall, I'm really happy with the product name, electric can opener. It's a bit pricier than manual can openers, but I think it's worth the investment if you open a lot of cans or have any issues with your hands. It's easy to use, fast, and efficient, and it looks great on my counter. I would definitely recommend it to anyone looking for a reliable electric can opener. Outro. Thanks for watching my review of the product name, electric can opener. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and demos. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you next time.